Hi, Grandma and Grandpa Dudney. This one's for you. It's expressing my love to you. Why is it so hard to talk? Why can't I just say these words that burn in my heart, consume me in every way? So pour out your Spirit, Lord, in Christ's name I pray. So these words flow from my mouth like heaven's holy rain. I stand here now before you, Lord, for all who are in pain, all those running scared and digging their own graves. I stand for those who know the truth and slowly slip away, and all the lost who walk alone and never found their way. 'Cause Jesus, I love you with all I am, and Jesus, I'll give you this whole man. Jesus, you are my all in all, and Jesus, I trust I will never fall. Oh, give them time, please, more time, Lord, to call on your name. A chance to share in your love and mercy and eternal grace. Yes, give them time, oh please, more time, Lord, to call on your name. A chance to share in your love and mercy and eternal grace. Jesus, I love you with all I am, and Jesus, I'll give you this whole man. Jesus, you are my all and all, and Jesus, I trust I will never fall. 'Cause Jesus, I love you with all I am, and Jesus, I'll give you this whole man. Jesus, you are my all and all, Jesus, I trust I will never fall. Why is it so hard to talk, and why can't I just say these words that burn in my heart? They consume me in every way. Oh, pour out your Spirit, Lord, in Christ's name I pray. I love you, Grandma and Grandpa.